Doesn't really matter. Get yourself a piece of 5mm thick. That's let's just work it out. 25mm is 1 inch, so 1/5 of an inch. Not a good weekend to do this. On top, little run inside here, and it should be easy. So we now have 3 blocks, and we make that 2 blocks. Dust collection works best when it's on. Good tip. Hi guys, it's sawdust and coffee time, obviously. Reminds me of the puppy. So guys, I've just used the cross-cut sled to chop up the pieces for, cut the pieces for. Guys, before we biscuit joint the sides for the bedside table, we need to make the frame. I forgot that. It is one of those days. So, on with the framing. I can't remember what I was going to say. Use the jointer thicknesser to thicken square, and the surfaces. Did you ever hear of anyone who said, "I can't hear without my glasses on"? I thought that was true just now. I had these on, I put my glasses on, and I could hear better. Then I realised the glasses slightly opened these up. Anyway. Right guys, once again I'm kneeling down, or